Hello traders, this video is about the higher time frame trading. Today is the 4th of July 2010 and this video is about the higher time frame trading. Okay, most of the new traders or the beginners traders will spend most of their time in the lower time frame, like 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute hourly chart. Okay, these people that are new to trading do not pay too much attention to the higher time frame. Okay, and then they continue to make this mistake, making their trading decision on the lower time frame. One of the reasons that most of the traders lose money consistently, abundantly, is because they are making their trading decision in the lower time frame. If you are doing that at the moment, coming into the market only opening your 15 minute or your 10 minute or your 30 minute or your 60 minute chart to participate in the market without paying attention to the higher time frame, you are making a costly mistake. You should stop doing that. So you move now to the higher time frame. This is the 5 days Euro USD currency pair, and this is since 2005. Okay, I draw this horizontal line here. This is one resistance here. If you follow my cursor here, another resistance here, another resistance here, another resistance here, and I draw all these on this chart since 2005. And then also right here, if you look carefully here, my apology for this. One moment please, we get there soon. Okay, now, and if you look carefully here, we have this low here, and then we have a higher low. On the higher time frame, like 5 days weekly chart, anytime you see a low and a higher low, straight away draw your trend line. Okay, from this point to this point, you can draw a trend line. You just draw it and keep it there on your chart. So this white trend line here, the one I'm following here, if you look carefully here, okay, one moment please, okay, that's this white trend line is still here since 2005. We draw that. Okay, it's still here. Okay, so you keep it on your chart to see the hot spot point when you should participate in the trend. Okay, so that trend line is still there. You see, is the second one here. This is this trend line here. Okay, see on this chart. Okay, since 2005, that trend line, you can draw it and keep it on your chart to see what the price is. You see, when it was approaching the edge of that trend line, people start selling here. Okay, but the price went a bit above it, only to come back below it, and they sold it. Okay, they sold it since December 2009. They sold this Euro USD after it crossed above that trend line we draw in 2005, and then it went below it. Okay, so this video is to help ordinary traders to also start using this tool that the professional are using. They draw their trend line, okay, their support line for long period of time. And then we notice also right here, if I show you clearly here, okay, so first we draw our, after we see this low and this higher low, we draw the trend line, and then the price can display another higher low here. It didn't come near our first trend line here, so we draw another trend line as soon as we see a new low, which means the bullish momentum is increasing and people are buying so much that the price couldn't even come back and retest the first trend line that we draw. So a new trend line has developed from this point here. So from here, okay, we have a new higher low. Okay, the price couldn't even touch it here, so we draw a new trend line. So we have two trend line now on our chart here. That's since October 2006. You will draw that trend, this one here, this trend line here that I'm following here. Okay, and also you keep it in your chart, okay, in order to see what the price will do. As you can see, the trend line that we draw in 2006, the price came back and retested here. If you are day trader on that particular period of time, you will be busy buying at this hot spot buying point here, and the price went up. Or if you are swing trader or position trader, because it's a 5 day chart, you may also buy at this hot spot point. So you have your trend line ready, you're waiting for the price to come near them, and you enter with a limited step loss, either for swing trading or for day trading. Okay, because because if you are day trader, the price approaching here, these are the best day when the price will move like 200 pip or 300 pip, okay, and you are rewarded nicely because the investor, okay, the people who are buying for long term are participating in the market, okay. So at this hot spot point, you see it touches here, the price just fly away again. And here again we draw our another third trend line here. If you look carefully here, okay, because the price now rejected this second trend line here and then start speeding up fire, okay. This is the fire speed, okay. This is a fast speed here. As you can see, the price display another higher low here. We draw another trend line again to show the speed of the trend. So the trend line, the slope of the trend line is telling us the speed of the trend, okay. So this is a less speed, this is a higher speed, okay. This is the maximum speed, okay. And then we have this low here, and the price failed when displayed this high, came back to retest this one here, and now it failed to display a higher high. This is showing us straight away that there is a weakness in this trend here. By applying the definition of the uptrend, after it break this trend line here, this is opportunity to sell, and people sold it. And when they sold it here, the first line of support is this trend line here. You see that we draw in 2006, okay, and people try to buy it here, but it went up a bit, only to come back again to retest the first trend line that we draw here, and there was no support here. It just collapsed and went down, okay. So this is about the higher time frame trading, okay. And the price did something very interesting here, pulled back all the way to retest the first one. People tried to sell it here. It went all the way to the second trend line that we draw in 2006 right here, okay. This happened here in 2009, okay. You see the importance on the long term. These are the long term trend line. You can have them on your trend, on your chart, in order to spot the hot spot areas, okay, where you can also participate also in the trend as a day trader, okay. So that's why I'm saying to the TSTW24 traders that the higher time frame will control the lower time frame, okay, and the trend will start always from a key support or resistance level or a key trend line level, okay. Right here, the price touches here. If you were here that time, you locate that on your day trading chart that time, you participate in this movement. If you are swing trader, that's where your hotspot entry point will be, because these are long-term trend line here, and you can still keep them on your chart like I have them here. These are extended trend line, okay, that continue on my chart, so I can keep them here on my chart here, okay. And I just watch the price, approach them and see the reaction of the price. I do not assume anything. I just watch the price to give me exactly the direction where the price is going, okay. This is about the higher time frame trading. The higher time frame commands the lower time frame. Very, very important. So as a TSTW24 trader, you locate first the hotspot areas, okay, and on your higher time frame, okay, and then you switch back to the lower time frame to observe, okay. You are not assuming anything, you just observe what the price is showing you, and then as soon as the TSTW24 start giving you the signal that you are expecting in the direction of the new trend that are starting from that particular hot spot point, okay, then you participate in the direction of the trend. These horizontal line here that you see on this chart, these are the resistance level that I draw a few years ago. You see these horizontal here, they are still here, and right here, as you can see, the price is turning around in this zone. Instead of don't see them as a line, see them as a zone. In this zone here, the Euro USD is turning around here. We will see what you need to do, as I show you in my previous video, is to draw your trend line. Like I say, it's always free, okay. You draw it now like this, okay, this trend line. You may do also the extended one. I'm not doing the short term one. I'll draw the extended trend line for you here, okay, for this Euro USD, and leave it on this chart like this, okay, so to see what the price will do in those key levels. So our next rendezvous point, our point of meeting is right here, okay. Those are the hotspot point we want to participate in the trade, okay. So we are waiting. I will highlight that for you, the point that we want the price to come to, so that will give us the best day for day trading, okay. If you are a day trader, you are looking for a hotspot point. This is another hotspot point, okay. Probably next week we'll come to this level and see if it break through, okay. We are not assuming anything. I will make it a bit bigger for you here. This is I hope this is a bit clear here, okay. This is another hotspot point at the edge of this trend line here, Okay, just checking my military for you too. Okay, so this was before another hotspot when people participate in it, they sold it here at the edge, the price just went down. This is another hotspot where we are waiting for the price. In this case, I believe because of this support level here trying to be validated here, you see the price cross above this resistance level, is likely to break through it. Okay, I believe it will it's likely to break through that zone there. Okay, and continue the movement to the upside. Okay, before turning around to form another double bottom here. We will see. We do not assume anything. We don't know where the price is going. Okay, you don't just think that it must turn around here. It does not have to do anything that we expect. We just observe the price. In this particular case, this resistance horizontal is broken. The second one also now is broken. The chances that the price is finding bullish momentum, it may continue. But when it comes here, people will try to sell it. Okay, because of this trend line here, and if you break through it, we know that the price may continue movement to the outside, but it will have to come back again. Okay, to form a kind of consolidation on this 5 days weekly chart to give us a nice double bottom in order now to turn around to give us a valid support level. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.